to the property in a while. So David's been painting. Get ready. And here's the hole. So I am going to start off by saying thank you, Chris, for giving us this awesome video camera holder selfie stick thing. So it's awesome. So I just wanted to come out here and get some good video for a change of what we're doing. So this is the big hole. Looks pretty good. I like this selfie stick. It's pretty awesome. And then, so this weekend, the hubby has been painting the Connex boxes. So they were kind of an ugly cream color. We're not doing it for color aesthetics. We are doing it to appease the hot summer Arizona's temperatures. So trying to alleviate some of the hot sun temperatures. So we are prepping for the summer for this. Let's see how much he's got done. Oh, still has a little bit left to do. He says it's already made a big difference in the temperatures themselves. Oh, and this side needs to be done too. Whee! But already a big difference. He left it unlocked, so let's go check and see what kind of a difference it makes. It's kind of a nice day, only a little breeze today, even though it's 100 degrees out. Alright, here we go. Yeah, not too bad. It's not. He's got some shelves up here. Still got a lot of space in here, but yeah, all the tools are there. So I was told I could do this crazy shot. I'm gonna try it. So if I unlock this, here I go, I'm gonna spin. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something that my hubby did. You may think it's crazy. He's got a little wash zone over here. Oh, and apparently remember that there's barbed wire back there. I got a little scratch, but I just brushed up against it and went, ooh, ouch. Anyway, happy Saturday. This is the property. Kind of cool, right? Whee! Thanks, Chris, for letting me have fun. See you guys. Okay, so I got some good video using the selfie stick. I am going to have to get used to it a little bit because I did notice that it does show my double chin really bad. Anyway, I gotta work on that. Anyway, just a few updates. We're still waiting to hear from the foundation dig inspector. The final word on that. They're kind of dragging their heels on that. So this week we also, in addition to doing just some little stuff here at the lot, that's why we don't have a whole lot of visuals that have changed since last week. But we've been working on the house that we're getting ready to sell. So maybe I'll give you some video of that. Hopefully that'll be done pretty soon. But we got a lot of little things to do there to get it on the market. So anyway, have a great weekend, guys. Bye.